So I'm Cindy Thibodeau from Woonsocket, Rhode Island, and I must tell you that the writing retreat in Prades, France is one of a kind. You have so many great experiences. You have many excursions that you can go on, and each day you're given an assignment that challenges you and brings out those writing skills. Whether you're a beginner, you're an expert or an advanced writer, or you're already published, the creative writing retreat just kind of challenges you to go beyond those boundaries. And the whole scenery built in Prades, France is just that experience where you get to experience being in a different culture and being in a different area where you feel relaxed and you feel so good about your writing. Each day you go on an excursion, you find out about the excursion, you eat French cuisine, you have just happy moments, you have the opening where you see the Catalan dancers, you get to experience that real French feel where it just makes you feel so good that you're in a place that you feel that it's just, you take all of your cares aside and you just feel so good being there. So I highly recommend the Prades, France Creative Writing Retreat. You will not be disappointed. Columbia and Sean are wonderful hosts, and I highly recommend that you come to Prades, France, and you experience it for yourself. You will not be disappointed.